Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is NAKAE. Once again, we are still on our journey in learning Kali Linus. So this is Linus Fundamentals. We are all beginners, so subscribe, let's learn together. Okay, so in today's tutorial, we are going to look at some basic commands that will help us keep running our Linux machine. So the first command is called pwd, that is short for present working directory. When we say pwd, what the function? Graphical user interface, we can navigate to anywhere we want. But no, we are going to use the graphical user interface. We are going to use the CLI. Let's see how we can find ourselves in Linus where we are standing. The command that will help us called pwd. Here it will tell that we are in the /root directory right now. This means that we are a root user or a super user. So we are in the super user directory. It tells us where we are standing right now. Which directory are we in? That's the work of the pwd. We know we are in the music directory, but let's use the pwd to check to make sure that yes, we are in the music directory. So we are in the root directory. Inside the root directory, we are music directory. So that's the work of the pwd. Another command we are going to try our hands on is the who am I. The command for knowing who you are or who is currently logged in is called who am I. Let's check something here. Let's say we use caps for who am I. It says command not found. Remember that Linus is case sensitive, so it's supposed to be all lowercase. Who am I? Yeah, it tells us that we are the root, we are the super user. If the name of the account is Kudo, you will see Kudo over there, not root, but the current login account is root. Let's check something here. So as we can see, the current user running this machine right now is root or administrator account or the root account. So let's say you are Kali Linus server administrator or you are administrator at a company, and you find out that one of the employees has left his or her machine without logging out, and you want to find out who log in and leave the machine like that. You can just open the terminal, then you type who am I. The terminal will tell you who that user is. So who am I is another command you have to keep it in mind. Now let's check how we can change our directory from one folder to another using the GUI interface or the graphical user interface. We can just click on the directory, we open it. If we want to go back, we can use this arrow key to go back and open another directory. We can just use this to open the directories. But now, what if we are standing inside the terminal? What can we do to find ourselves in different directories? So let's do this and find some directories. Okay, so we have desktop, downloads, pictures, documents, music, and others. So we are going to find our way to go through each of them. So let's say you want to open pictures. What command will you use to open pictures? We use the cd command, that's change directory command, to change directory from one directory to another. So let's say cd, we want to move to pictures. So cd./pictures. Yeah, we are now in the pictures directory. Let's do ls. Yeah, there's nothing in it, that's why it returns nothing. So we use the cd command to change our directory. ls, you can see we have our desktop, our downloads, our pictures, templates, documents, and others. Let's change our directory to downloads. So cd/downloads. Yeah, we are now in the downloads folder. If you want to move back, you use the double dot to move back from where you are standing. When we do pwd, you can see that we are in the downloads folder. Now we want to move back to the root directory. We use cd then dot dot. The dot dot means we are moving one level up or one level back. So when you run, see we have moved back from downloads to our root directory. So that's how the cd tool works. What if we are in a third folder? Okay, so let's move to the demo1 directory. So cd, then your directory name, demo1. Okay, so now we are in the demo1 directory. You don't want to move back now. You want to move straight from where we are standing, the demo1 directory, back to root. So this is what we are going to do. We bring our change directory command. Remember, this one will move us one step back, but now we want to move 2 steps back. So we bring space, bring another dot dot. Says too many arguments. Let's run it again. It's good that you do mistakes. When you do mistakes, you learn a lot. So don't feel shy if you normally do mistakes. is normal. Let's use slash. Yeah. So as you can see, we have moved 2 steps backward to our root directory. So when we run pwd to check where we are, see we are back to our root directory. Yeah, so that's the work of the cd. Okay, so now let's come to ls. I'll be using ls is here, ls is here. I'll be using ls. I hope you have already guessed what the ls does. So the ls command is used to see the contents of a directory or what is inside a folder, whether they are files or they are subdirectories. We use the list or the ls command in the etc directory. pwd, yeah, in the etc directory. Now let's do the ls. So we say ls help us list content of a directory. See, everything inside that directory will shows up. So ls, yeah, so these are the contents in this directory. Yeah, so we have the gndb, aliases, many go scripts. These are all files and directories, subdirectories inside the etc directory. So this is the work of the ls. But what if you want to get more information about these files and directories? You want to know their permissions, their owner, their size, their last modification, date and time. What we will do, we write the same ls, but this time we add one command called -l. We want more information about these files and subdirectories, so we run ls-l. Yeah, so this is it. So as you can see, we have their permissions, their owner. It is telling us that the owner is a root. We have the size over here. Is the size, their last modifications. We have February 28, 2019. Then the file name or the directory name. So the ls-l give us more information about the directories or the sub directories. Okay, what if you are not seeing the directory that you want and you want all hidden directories to show up? You can try this command ls-le. Yeah, so this will pull up any file or subdirectory inside the /etc directory. Don't worry if I use folder, they are the same, but in Linus we call it directory. That's right. Don't get confused with the folder and the directory. So these are some basic commands you need to know when working with the Linus OS. Okay, so these are some of the commands. What if you want to write a command but you don't know how to add let's say you know the ls command, you don't know if there is another command that you can attach to the ls to give you more information about these directories and subdirectories. You can type ls dash dash